In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Ford sync issue in less than 5 minutes. This reboot fix should work on any Ford sync to fix your Bluetooth connection issues. To start the Ford sync reboot, I'm going to pull the fuse for the radio. That's where the Ford sync lives. My truck is a 2015 Ford F-150 and my fuse position is number 32. Check your owner's manual to see what fuse position your radio is. My fuse panel is located on the right side of the passenger seat floorboard. And now with my ignition in the off position, I'm going to pull the fuse.
All right, I've got a hold of number 32. Number 32 there is a 10 amp fuse. And I've pulled him out.
With the fuse pulled, now I'm going to turn my ignition on to verify that there is no radio. And there is no radio. So now I'm going to turn the ignition back off. I'm going to put the fuse back in. All right, now we're going to turn the ignition back on and we're going to see if we have some radio. And it looks like we've got some power. Let's see if the phone connects. Turn on the ignition. It's making a connection. Connecting. Yeah. Rebooting the Ford sync using this method is the only way I've found to fix the phone connection issue with the Bluetooth. This is not a permanent fix because I've had to do this twice in the last year, but it has worked for me. Let me know if it works for you in the comments down below. And be sure to check out my F-150 tow mirror installation video. I'll put a link to that video right here. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.